With fuel prices skyrocketing, driving a fuel-efficient vehicle these days is certainly more important than ever before. So, when looking at your next new vehicle purchase, here are a few reasons why you should consider a hybrid vehicle. Hybrids have become much more affordable than ever before, with Toyota offering a hybrid Corolla Cross for a little over 400,000 Rand. Full hybrid vehicles make use of a conventional petrol engine paired with an electric motor. Charging is done by the petrol engine as well as through regenerative braking. Hybrids are ideal for urban driving, and that is where they perform at their optimum. Slow speeds ensure more time will be spent utilizing the electric motor, while regenerative braking will keep your batteries charged. No need to worry about the longevity of the batteries anymore. A Corolla Cross boasts an 8-year or 195,000 km warranty on their hybrid batteries. With a combination of city driving and highway commuting, a Corolla Cross hybrid driven sensibly will only consume 4.3 liters per 100 kilometers. Driving a Corolla Cross compared to a conventional petrol vehicle that consumes around 9 liters per 100 kilometers, you're likely to save around 103 Rand every 100 kilometers you drive, calculated at the current fuel price. Now that is certainly something to think about. Be sure to visit motus.cars for more information on our range of hybrid vehicles on offer.